Hey guys, welcome back. Douglas's Model Garage's videos here, and I'm gonna do something painting wise that is I don't really do that often, which is trying to duplicate this camel pattern on here. Um, I will bring you back once I get something, I don't know, that looks like it, I guess, and go from there. All right. Well, guys, I was kind of looking at this camouflage sequence right here, um, and I want your honest opinion, guys. Now, this is what I did with the camouflaging. Um, I kind of mixed what the box is showing right here and what the instructions were saying. So, I mean, not all the camouflages were perfect back in the day, but I think it looks pretty good. I mean, probably not the correct colors, but looks good. So, um, you know, looks pretty good. So, I'll let you know what I work on this next. All right. Well, guys, I got the camouflaging done. Still have to build the engines for it and put the propellers on there and put landing gear on. And I am surprised by this kit that these older decals right here actually worked on the kit, as you can see. I used the A and Z ones, and we got most of them all on there. And one heck of a camouflaging experience there. I had to do a little touch up, but everything looks good. And well, that's what I got for you. So.